Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and look what we got in the building. Man, it's been a couple of months, but it's finally in the building. The Honor View 20. It's time for the unboxing. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Honor View 20. Now I did actually take a look at this back in January at CES, so big shout out to Honor for finally sending it out to me. I was probably in the third round of the review units, but who cares, it's finally in the building. We have the Honor View 20 here on the side. So if you guys haven't watched the tons of unboxings and reviews that they have out, I was definitely impressed with it. I am definitely curious to see how it is. The last phone that I have from Huawei / Honor was the Mate SE. I did have the Mate 20. As far as Honor, I'm trying to remember. I did have the Honor 5X and I think the 6X. So I'm definitely interested in this because I did actually see the Honor View 10 and I was definitely impressed with that. So just by looking at the box, you see the nice plain presentation. This is the Phantom Blue. Now I'm definitely curious to see how the MUI is, but there's the box itself and there's a device. Let's see exactly what comes in the box. It's been a while since I've actually had a Honor phone. So you do get a free clear case, and you have the international charging brick because this device is not for the US, but you could definitely see that it does have supercharge, which is pretty dope. And you have a Type C to a Type A brick. This one actually looks like the Pixel one too. Alright, so here's the device itself. I do not have the specs on deck, but let's just see what it looks like. I do remember how it looked like when I first got it. Give me 1 second. Alright, so let's just clean this up because it looks like it's been through its uses, but definitely a beautiful device. Now, I'm going to try to get the specs for you guys, and let's see if I can run this down. Alright guys, so we have a 6.4-inch display, 1080p only, and it does have a 48 megapixel camera in the back because it seems like everybody has been using that same sensor, so everybody has a 48 megapixel camera. 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it does have the 7nm Kirin 980 chip, which basically means that this thing is super fast and efficient, and it does have a 4000 milliamp battery. Big shout out to the tech leads who actually did a review on this phone, but I'm definitely curious to see how it is for myself. And let's see the boot up animation. So I will be doing a few tests. I'll probably have like a camera video test as well, and I will have an update on how the phone is going so far. Definitely a beautiful size phone. I do have the LG G8 that I just unboxed, so that's what it looks like side by side with it. And if you want to see the V40 next to it, very similar in size. It looks like the V40 is a little bit taller, and you do have that little punch hole notch. I think they had a different name for it, but this has been out for a while, so I know that the international model came out probably at the end of last year, so I'm definitely curious to see, has it got its updates, what patch is it on, and we will definitely see. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the Honor View 20, let me know if you guys have any questions. Fingerprint scanner looked like it's on point, and I do remember that they had a 3D camera. I think it was in the front or the back, I'm not entirely sure, but you do see you have a nice little setup there, and it does have the AI vision as well. So I'm a little bit rusty with this because I haven't seen it since January, and it's already April, so I would definitely provide more specs for you down in the description below if you guys are interested in that. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the Honor View 20, is that an IR blaster? Because if it is, oh man, I'll be in love again. So you do have your headphone jack up top, by the way, Type C, and the speaker right there. Alright guys, so if you guys want to see more coverage of the Honor View 20, just let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see. If you guys want to pick one up, I'll definitely leave the link down below to that as well. It's probably on Amazon, eBay, and all these different places. I definitely am digging the size of it. It does actually really remind me of the V40, but you do have that little punch hole notch instead of the big notch that you have on my iPhone Pixel 3 XL and all that good stuff. So I would definitely keep you guys updated. So stay tuned for more coverage if you guys are interested. Same processor as the P30 Plus or the P30 Pro and all that stuff. So definitely will be a fast device. The camera's definitely looking nice right there. So peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Man, this is beauty though.